Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This house, though located in a valley at Kimberly Avenue, is special. It provides for the elderly with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an office and an helper's quarters downstairs to accompany the kitchen and laundry room, and also access to an enclosed garage made to accommodate 3 cars. This open concept house carries separate living room and dining rooms separated by a spacious kitchen. Upstairs boasts 3 ensuite bedrooms, with the primary being a gem. A family room takes you to the pool deck and gazebo with a large balcony for entertainment purposes. Completing the upstairs is a gym. This home sits on 0.86 acres with adequate land space behind for farming and gardening, adequate space for lighting up the grill, and lots of space for exercising. The rest I will leave to your imagination, but rest assured, this beautiful house is move-in ready. We have some exciting news. This house was recently reduced by Jamaican 5 million or US $31.4 thousand. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The new asking price for this house is Jamaican 105 million or US $659.5 thousand dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.